Hey guys, it's the Toy Girls today. And we're gonna see my new kitten. So let's go do that quick. It's gonna be a short video. Sorry if this stops on you. Then that will be the end. Sorry. Can I come in? Sorry. Okay, guys. Let's see here. Can you be in it?
Yeah.
Can she go on the bed? Pixie. So small. So small. What are you doing, Pixie? Pee time. What? And there's Carly. No. She's like, what the heck is that thing? You can go on it, Pixie.
Oh, yeah, she definitely doesn't like that. No. Okay, come here.
Hey, Pixie.
Come here.
Wait, can I see her beside my hand? Her beside my hand. Look at her.
She wants to.
Oh.
Okay, can I talk to you in my room?
Yeah, with the vlog. With the girlies.
What do you mean the girls? Oh, yeah.
What do you mean? So that was our kitten.
Now you just ruined my...
Sorry.
Is that on here?
Yep.
I was talking to Mommy about having a midnight...
Another sleepover?
No. A midnight day with us, like until midnight. The kitty might be in it. We don't know yet. Rachel might be in it.
But she said yes?
No, I haven't asked her yet. But
Oh, she's gonna say no.
I've been talking about it to Mom, and I don't know if she said no, but I'm gonna talk to her mom to convince her to. That's okay with you. If you don't want to do it, okay. Want to convince her with me?
I'm not convincing her.